any fish and catch some fish. So let's open it out. Here is our eye bobber. So it looks like it comes with this charging port, and actually it looks like there's, you can see right there, 2 holes. So I think you may be able to attach line to it.
Yep, you can fish from the eye bobber, but we are not going to do that today. We're just going to use it as our sonar unit.
Here, I mean a little bag to actually put the eye bobber in and all of its equipment. So yeah, let's get to it.
All right, we are going to download the eye bobber app for Android. We'll get that downloaded, and while we're doing that, we're gonna hook up our eye bobber to our line. So we've got a eye bobber recommended like 15-pound test. I'm putting it on a swivel with an eyelet, and we're gonna hook it up to the eye bobber through the little hole here. Super windy, apologize for the background noise. Get our eye bobber clipped in and hooked on. And so you can hook a line to here if you wanted to try to fish from your eye bobber, but I think today we're just going to use it as a sonar unit. All right, we've thrown out our eye bobber quite a ways. We're casting the eye bobber. So we cast it out, press OK when ready to map. 3, 2, 1. And now we're gonna reel it in. Nice and slow, it says. We taking sonar readings along the way, and then we could see the contour on the way out from where we are here. Almost back in. Taking it nice and easy so it drags nice and level. All right, that should be good. And then we will say, okay, done mapping. 3, 2, 1. And there you go. So where we were there.
Yeah, this fish not working. Maybe we have to cast some bait in.
Well, you can grab a rod and reel and try to throw some out there and see if you catch something.
I'm definitely going.
You can do that. The eye bobber would say there are no fish around here. Oh, there's fish. Okay, there's fish right there. There's a fish apparently a foot below in 5 feet right over there. Couple fish. If we believe it. All right, well, I'm not gonna catch anything on the eye bobber itself, so I'm gonna try leave that out there and see if anything happens. If it records anything in the meantime, throw a little jig out and see if we can make anything happen. Oh, fish, Lou. Got one. Got a little baby bass. A little baby bass. Look at that guy. He's so teeny. And you're out of season. Teeny and you're out of season. Go back in there. He's probably the little thing that the iBobber was picking up. Said that there was some fish about a foot off the top. I just cast it out. Slowly bringing it through there. iBobber's in, connecting to Lucky Lou's bobber. Let's see, it should be like 15 to 20 feet here. Yeah, it is. It's saying it's 20 feet. Oh, there's fish down there. A lot of fish down there, Lou. There's fish at 6 feet and 11 feet. You guys seeing this? That's the problem earlier. We were just in a bad spot. Fish on. Little pike, Lou. Haha. It's a little snake. No. But I got a little, oh, he's feisty. Teeny little guy. Little guy. All I want to do is catch a crappie.